In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM. If you're new to Zoho CRM or simply looking to streamline your data entry process, you're in the right place. This comprehensive guide will walk you through every step, ensuring that your data import process is both efficient and hassle-free. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which serves as your central hub for managing your CRM activities. It's from here that we initiate the data import process. Our journey begins with locating the setup option in the interface. This is typically represented by a gear icon, usually situated in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will bring you to a new page filled with a variety of settings and configuration choices. This setup area is where you configure the CRM to best suit your needs, and in our case, to import data seamlessly. Once in the setup section, scroll through the list until you see the import option. Clicking on Import will transport you to a screen dedicated to managing and importing your data files. Before proceeding, make sure your data is organized and ready to go, ideally in a CSV or Excel format, as these are the formats Zoho CRM accepts for importing. As we move on, you'll be prompted to select the source of your data import. Here, select Zoho CRM as your choice, which is perfect for consolidating your information from previous Zoho accounts or creating a unified data structure. This step ensures that your fields align properly, maintaining data integrity across platforms. The next part of our process involves the actual file upload. Click on the Browse Files button. Doing so will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to locate the file you intend to import. It's crucial at this stage to ensure your file is formatted correctly, with headers matching those in Zoho CRM to avoid any mismatches. If your data columns correspond with the Zoho fields, the import process will be much smoother. After selecting your file, the system may guide you through a mapping process, allowing you to pair your file's columns with those in Zoho CRM. Carefully go through these mappings to ensure each data point is accurately aligned with its corresponding field in the CRM. This step is critical for maintaining data accuracy and ensuring your CRM reflects the true state of your records. Once mapping is complete, you simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish uploading your data. It's highly recommended to review your import summary, which provides insight into any potential errors or fields that may not have been mapped correctly. Taking the time to verify this ensures your data integration is as clean and accurate as possible. And there you have it, the entire process of importing data into Zoho CRM. With just a few clicks, your CRM can be populated with the essential data you need to maintain and grow your business. Don't forget to periodically review your data imports for any discrepancies and continue leveraging Zoho CRM's import functionality to keep your data synchronized and your team informed. Thank you for joining and happy importing.